in the TTRS today. I'm gonna head to the gym real quick, and then hopefully when I get back, my flex fuel sensor and my flex fuel kit should be here. We're getting a possible delay on it, so UPS has been kind of bad with the delays recently on a lot of stuff that I've been ordering. So hopefully we can get this thing installed. They're a Bluetooth flex fuel kit, so it can connect to my phone, and then I can read my fuel percentages through my phone. And then I'll be able to flash over to my E85 setup and put some E in the car, and it should make a world of difference, and more power and torque numbers on the vehicle. So that'll be dope. I've been waiting to put E in this car since I've gotten it and get it to this certain point. I would love to do an upgraded turbo kit and a motor build, do a pistons and rod kit, but that is pretty expensive on these cars. So I would love to work with some of these companies like Uni, because I think IROS is like one of the best ones doing the builds right now. I just saw their RS3 did an 8-second pass. They've been doing some tuning on these things, and they've been making some big changes on them. So if you haven't, go check out IROS. Things it's moving out. Hopefully the flex fuel kit gets here, and then when it does, we'll continue the video from there. A couple days later, and we finally got our Uni kit in. And if you open up the box, you get this Bluetooth sensor right here. So this will be the part that you mount up, and I believe it comes with a mount, which is right here. You get this little mounting bracket, and you can use this to mount this, and this is what will be connecting to your phone, your plug and play harness. I've looked up the videos. It looks fairly simple, and basically this is how you will power the sensor that you have. And then you get your actual flex fuel sensor. So I've done a giveaway on my channel for this before, for the CTSV platform, but yeah, right here, if you read on the back, this is your ethanol content sensor with 2 fittings that we'll be replacing on 2 hoses. So these are our, I think they're 900 cc injectors, which we'll be changing to accommodate for the E85. And that's pretty much all you need to run E on the TTRS or the Daza RS3 platform. And make sure you got your stage 2 tune with whoever you're going with, and pretty much set. I mean, it should be fairly simple. I see some people do it without doing injectors, but I like to try to take the safer route, especially with German vehicles. You don't want to be just doing anything they don't tell you to do, and then you have an issue, and then it could turn into something big.
また会おう。
All right, we're in the Audi. We've got our laptop ready, got our tuning dongle, so we should be good to go. We gotta head to the gas station to pick up some E85. I like to go to specific ones that I know give good E. I'm usually gonna pick the same one that I usually pick for the GT500 and previous cars that I've had, is the Kroger's, man. Kroger's usually has the better gas for E85, so I'm gonna head over there real quick. Should be about a little 15-minute trip, pick up some E. I'm kind of upset, man. I had an E85, I think it was Sunlow fill-up tank, and someone threw it away, and it was brand new. I only used it for my GT500 and a couple vehicles when I needed to pump E and put it in a gas tank, and that somehow got tossed out of the garage. So that got me real upset right now. So I'm using a little red tank, and just gonna fill up some E, and hopefully that can get me enough content to where it can be, I think, at least E60 to E70 at least, and then I could just drive to the gas station and pump the rest of the fuel. So hopefully that works, because this kind of got me annoyed when people throw stuff away that you possibly need because they don't think you need it. All right, we're here at the shop. Let me go ahead and get this E85 out of this damn back, so my car don't be smelling like gas. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this flex fuel sensor install. I'm gonna go ahead and do the wiring here. So if you look down here where your headlight is, that black plug right there, you're gonna need to disconnect that one and then use the harness. Here's how the Uniflex harness will look. It'll be a Y split, and basically, like I said, you're gonna disconnect that one, plug in this one, and the one you disconnected, you will be plugging it to the other side of this, and then route this line all the way to the other side. Kind of tough to see it, but got the Y harness connected here, and then there's a little clip at the bottom right here, and you just pretty much plug that back in where it pulls out at, and then you just take this one, which will be connecting to the Bluetooth sensor. Probably zip tie this up along this. This is going to go to your Bluetooth sensor, so that'll connect to this end, and then you can mount your Bluetooth sensor. Some zip ties. I'm going to go ahead and zip tie this wire up. So this will help anybody out that gets the bracket with the Bluetooth sensor. You can opt out to not get the bracket, but if you do get the bracket, I'm going to show you where to place this, because there's not a lot of footage or anything out there to where you put this. So that silver bolt right there, you're going to take that out, and then you're going to place that through this like that, and then the sensor is going to mount on top. So that silver bolt is where the bracket is going to go, and then you're going to put the Bluetooth sensor on top of this. All right, we've got the sensor mounted to the bracket. You would just run this plug that we ran all the way from over there and just plug this into here. So we've got the injectors out. On the left is the old injector, and then on the right side we got our new injectors from 034 Motorsports, and these are be a higher CC and able to compensate for the E85 setup. They greasing up them injectors before they put them back in there, so they don't be struggling like trying to take them out like that. Put that grease on them. All right, so now we have the new injectors installed. That loom, I've already got everything zip tied around. Got the Bluetooth sensor here mounted with the Unitronic bracket. Then I've got this connector, which is going to go to this side of the flex fuel sensor. You guys see we got it connected to the Bluetooth, so it is connected to my phone. I don't have any E in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to tune to the stage 2 E85, and then I got some E85 right there. We're gonna go ahead and throw that in the tank. We've already checked for fuel leaks. We're clear on that. It's connected to my phone, so we are clear, and then we'll flash it over. Goddamn laptop, like we got a Honda or something.
McLaren, we got the other Ferrari, we got the motherfucking Civic with the laptop.
I'm talking about. Go ahead and get the dongle. Yes, sir. Now you got to get in that professional stance with the laptop in your lap. When they get in, they got that, you know, that little laptop to the steering wheel stance. You got to get in that. We would just be flashing, detecting the ECU, and we'll just switch over to stage 2. 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're gonna let the computer do what it needs to do. Where all these malfunctions is gonna happen as normal, and then it's just gonna do its thing. We got the E85 tune on the car. I got some E in the car. I'm waiting for the ethanol content to increase. Right now we're sitting around 55% or so, and the tune is good for E60 up to E85. So I'm not getting into boost until I see E60 on the Uniflex app. So I'm just chilling right now. I'm trying to cruise to the house, let the E85 circulate through the system. I do need to pump more, so I'm gonna pump a full tank of E85, and that should help out the ethanol content. And then we should be good to go after that. All right, guys, it is late at night tonight, and we're gonna head to the gas station to pump some E85 since we're still at that 53% threshold. I had to wait till traffic dies down a little bit, man. Texas getting too packed with people, and traffic's just bad everywhere you go. So now it's a little later at night after the gym, so I'm gonna go see if I can hit this Kroger's and fill up some E, and hopefully our ethanol content will shoot up. We'll get over at least 60%, and then we'll try to test it out and possibly do like a quick pull and see if it makes a difference, man. See how much power increase I can feel. We're getting our first pump of E. Getting our first little tank of E85 in this thing, so hopefully the ethanol content will shoot up. This is some of the best E that I've usually get in my vehicle, so should be good, man. And then we'll do a test hit. Okay. Got our tank. So far, just a little cruise around. We already hit E60, which I'll show you guys right now off the app. And then I'm just gonna cruise around just for a little bit longer, see if we can get a higher ethanol content. I at least prefer E75, E80, see if we can get up there, and then try to do a pull. But right now we are in the safety threshold to do a pull since it registers from E60 to E85. Okay, so now y'all see our content is at 71 for our content. And then that's good enough, so it should be up to E60 to E85, but I've seen it go up to 73. So we should be good on the content. And now we're gonna do our first little E85 test hit and then see how the car performs. So we're about 30, I'm gonna drop it to second gear. Oh my God. Wow, like yes, that is a big difference. It sounds different. It pulls good. That's a big difference. Like I ain't gonna lie, that was a big difference right there. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I want to hear the car myself, so. Damn. Appreciate you guys swinging by. Thanks to Unitronic for getting the flex fuel setup sent to me, and then we got their ECU and TCU tune on the car. Thing is moving out. I definitely got to get some numbers and see what my 0 to 60 times are, 61 30 times, and see exactly what it's doing. But the car moves out. It's a big difference. So if you are planning on going stage 2 or anything above, going E, it's worth it. It's a whole different car, and yeah, it makes a big difference on that platform. And it's light. It's a very light car. So appreciate you guys. After this, I'm going to show you guys some of the Wolf King GTR content. I got some scooter people that reached out to me on my Facebook and stuff. I'm planning on setting up some group rides around here. I'm at the shop right now with Charlie. I'm going to get some work done on the truck. He has a scooter. And then got a couple other people. We've been going on group rides and stuff on the weekend, man. If you guys want to join and y'all enjoy what y'all about to see right now, just contact me. I'll set up some rides, and then I got routes and stuff, and we pretty much ride for a couple hours, man. We stop and eat and stuff like that. But appreciate y'all, and peace out.
Oh yeah. Damn. I'm gonna start it. You wanna try, or you wanna no?
Try it, go ahead.
I'm gonna try it.
I'm behind you. This is what we need the 360, bro.
I know.
Oh shit.
Bro, this is the best trail I've ever been to.
Bro, badass, right?
Yeah. You know the trail. Oh. I don't even know what disc golf is, but.
This will be the hole.
Oh. Oh, fuck.
Right there.
Disc golf. I don't know. I've never seen that before. Oh, shit. Now we're back into society. We just came out of some badass trails. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Nah, this is where we went last time, right?
Yeah.
I remember this.